Where are we going, Bree? Coco Cay. Coco Cay.
It's so good.
Yeah. Yeah.
As far as I've seen.
And to be honest, I really need to look that one up. That's not a common one that I've looked up much before.
Really?
Hey, Mom.
Symphony of the Seas.
I didn't borrow that. I'm sorry.
Symphony of the Seas is the one we were on. And at the time, it was the largest ship in the world at the time.
Yeah, I remember that.
And that was just a few years ago. It's crazy how much the Icon of the Seas and then all the other newer ones are now.
Sunscreen got all that.
That's a shame. That is the worst, Logan. Logan, in a minute, I probably have one in my eyeglass case, but I'm not getting it yet. Okay. Perfect day at Coco Cay. Last time we were here, it was just a so-so day, but today's gonna be perfect. This is Breezy's first time here. Logan has been here before, but it was not actually their private island, perfect day. It was like Coco Cay or something. It was just something different. Whatever the original island was. Bree, get y'all's pictures taken.
Bree put something in this bag that is
Perfect day, Coco Cay.
it's for golfers.
Probably. Tom, would you ever do that slide?
Yep.
Would you for real?
Yep, I do it, anything.
That slide
You
is
should know
really
that.
steep.
I don't want to do it, but yeah, you should see what I did on Symphony of the Seas, the slide from the top of the ship all the way to the bottom.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken?
This is Coco Cay's straw market area. And it takes cash the last time I was here.
Hey y'all, look at that green. Look at that green lawn.
There's an included restaurant with beverage station. Barbecue, hot dogs, hamburgers, fries, chips, potato salad, and that is Chill Grill. Any of these, y'all? Two. Well, we're trying to get out of the wind, Bree. Bree wants us out of the wind. That's where we're going. That way, babe.
And now we got like 8 or 9 of them
Uh-oh.
hanging out.
There's a pretty one right here swimming on the cruise in the boat.
Just remember, where there's little fish, there's big fish. Oh, I see the ones you're talking about.
Yeah.
Lord, look at that, Ryan. Look at the ones he's talking about.
Yeah, they're all right.
I thought you were talking about these little guys.
No, these are. Yeah, there's 7 or 8 of them.
and we're here at Chill Island. There's lifeguard, there's places to eat, there's nice restrooms, there's the day beds for rent, there's the overwater cabanas to rent. Coming up from the Wawa. I don't know. I just looked at my phone now.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Oasis Lagoon. Very, very pretty. I forgot how pretty that was out there, right? It's like a luau almost, like in Hawaii.
I can't imagine like hanging out in a pool.
Well, a lot of people do because there are people who are afraid of water, ocean water. Anything. Oh, it feels so good. So we get off here.
Beach chair all day long, the sun goes down. There's also hammocks and shading areas. We have the shore excursion, the jets, kayak, paddleboard. And to my left side down the walkway, we have the island market. We're going to buy souvenirs and merchandise. Just see pass card, cash, or credit card in the island market. And last but not least, the chill grill buffets behind the tram station. Serving tacos, nachos, burritos, barbecue chicken, and much more, all free. So our second stop right here, Chill Island, the island market. Chill Island, the island market. Anyway, Chill Island is your stop. Chill
Yes,
Island
please.
is your stop.
Yes, sir. Thank you. This is Chill Grill. It has tacos and a few different items than where we were earlier. There's the balloon. You get me water, babe? Thank you. And they have tacos, salsa. A fun day. Well, last time we were here, we named it So-So Day at Coco Cay. Today,
Perfect.
I would say it was a perfect day
Perfect.
at Coco Cay.
I met nice people.
We had a fun volleyball game.
I lay out in the sun. I drink rum. It's hard to beat that
It
day.
was a great day. And there's the Harpo Beach rules. Hold that for me 1 second,
I
babe.
discovered I like rum, ice, and
Gosling rum.
Gosling rum on ice.
Is that black spiced rum?
No, it's not spiced.
Oh, it's not.
dark rum
Just dark rum?
on ice with a slice of lime.
Look at that.
And we call it this sway and soak.
No, you keep messing up the name, babe.
What's that little bird?
Yeah.
And when I
We haven't seen as many lizards as we normally do.
look, when I get back home, I won't be Irish anymore.
Oh, you look so red right now. I was with them in the water. They were giving me a pedicure. A free pedicure. Oh, sorry. Nice live music.
God, that slide's kind of insane.
Is that Honey? Hello, Honey?
Kind of insane.
Playing? Yeah.
No.
Sounds like them.
No.
Playing live? It sounds like them.
This is
Ryan, they're singing live. They're singing live, I think. At Captain Jack's. Yeah, they're over there singing. I love hearing kids' laughter. Here, let me have mine. I'm still drinking it. Oh, the water was so refreshing. Back on board, baby. Perfect day
There's rocks over here.
at Coco Cay.
Look at that sailboat out there to the left, y'all. No, sailboat to your left.
Beautiful.
That could be us. But you play it. We have Little Caribbean Odyssey of the Seas and Celebrity Equinox. You know, the back of our ship is quite ugly, actually. The Apex was a lot prettier. Still a nice ship, though, the Equinox. We very much enjoyed our day and our trip thus far. Tomorrow, Key West. It looks fake on here. Look, Logan, it looks like a Nautica symbol. Look. No, here, Logan, here. Look at my camera.
I see.
I wish this boat had hot tubs with a view.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken?
Bye bye, Coco Cay. Until next time.
That it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone?
So calm. Oddly calm, actually.
Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end.
Lord, we are like the worst. Where are we going, Brie? Coco Cay. Coco Cay.
It's so